towards building classrooms and around 18 billion towards the build-out of irrigation canals under NIA. And with that, Madam Speaker, the committee respectfully rejects the proposed amendment of the Honorable Marcoleta.
What does the House say?
Madam Speaker, we join the sponsor in rejecting the said amendment.
There's a motion to reject the proposed amendment. Is there any objection?
Madam Speaker, I would like to register a continuing objection.
Majority Leader.
Madam Speaker, there's a motion to reject the proposed amendments which were objected to by the Honorable Marcoleta. I now move to divide the House for the information of the body. An aye vote sustains the motion to reject the amendment and a nay vote defeats it. The majority solicits an aye vote.
There's a motion to reject the proposed amendments which were objected to by the Honorable Marcoleta. All those in favor to reject the proposed amendments say aye.
Aye!
All those against the motion say nay.
Nay!
The ayes have it. The amendment is lost. The
My,
amendments are lost.
my second proposed amendment,
Yes, please proceed.